Hey YouTube, we're going to cover San Francisco by the group Foxygen. It's kind of a playful song, I think. Up in San Francisco, where the forest meets the bridge, I thought I saw you standing there, and you fell into a well. But that was many years from now, and I am so much older now. Alright, that's the first two verses of the song. At the end of the lesson, I'll talk about the introduction on the piano, but we're just going to go right into the verse. There's a verse, a pre-chorus, and a chorus. All right, so the verse begins A to E, and you do that A to E move 3 times. Then you go F to D on the first verse. Second verse is the same, except when you get to the F to D part, let me do the whole thing. 3 times, A to E. And then it goes F, D, back to F, F to G this time. And that is, G is the transition to the pre-chorus. Yeah, I think this is like about, they talk about tuning into radio stations. I think this is about, 60 songs that you hear on the radio. Because San Francisco itself was a very famous song from the 60s. I think it's by Scott McKenzie. And it's, it's like the stereotypical 60s song. Maybe like the Hollies, some of their songs like Bus Stop, these kind of orchestral pop songs. Okay, all right, so we're on the G from the end of the second verse, and then we go into the pre-chorus. Go to A. And you swimming upstream, or listening to radio stations. Alright, that is A. You swimming upstream goes to B minor. We're just going to take this A minor shape we learned. We're going to slide it up to the 3rd and 4th frets. We're just going to play strings 4 through 2. Not the high E. And then goes the E, A. And then for that little chord riff, it goes A, E, B minor, E. And that's how we get into the chorus. I left my love in San Francisco. It's okay. I was born in LA. I left my love in San Francisco. Back to A. So the chorus begins on A and it ends on A. A, E, B minor. Hangs on the B minor for quite a bit. That's where we get the reply from the female vocalist. It's okay. I was born in LA. So A, E, B minor, A. A. So A, E, B minor, A. That's the chorus. And that's the whole song, those three parts. Be like a intro, piano plays it, and we can play it. It's just like a chord melody. Starts on the A. Okay, and just on strings 4, 3, goes 4, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2. And after the A, we switch to an E, and we go 4, 3 again. We do have to fret the B string at the 3rd fret with our pinky. And goes back to the A. Except this time we're going to go 3, 2. And it ends on with the E chord. And go back to A. Up in San Francisco. Okay, that's the Foxygen song, San Francisco. Oh, I should mention there's also a very famous song by Tony Bennett called San Francisco. So that is definitely being referenced here. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.